The Kickstarter keyboard. Yeah, that's right. Today, I'm here asking for donations for a Kickstarter. I'm just kidding, but I actually just wanted to show you guys a really cool project that was started on Kickstarter. It's Lemokey, which is, in case you didn't know, Lemokey, the gaming division for Keychron, has the ultimate magnetic gaming keyboard coming out. This ain't your mama's Hall Effect keyboard. This is your weird neighbor's kid. This is the fastest keyboard that I've ever reviewed. Well, let's open it up and then we'll talk about all the other stuff. How about that? Maybe I'll just slide it out. Oh, she's heavy. Oh man, dude, I'm so excited for this. Let's see what we got. Lemokey, eh? Moment of truth. Oh yeah. Power cable with an adapter already plugged in. They already know me. They know I don't got no USB-C slots left. What in the world? Okay, so we have some extra screws. Foam pads. Keycap switch puller. I think it says Lemokey on it. Would you look at it? Oh, this is new. This is not something that we ever get. Phillips head, and it looks like a Allen key, maybe? I gotta look at it closer. Yeah, it's just like a little Allen key. Oh, dude. Oh my. Opens from the side. Interesting theory, but I respect it. Oh, dude, look at that. It's so heavy, this is really hard to do. Oh, and it's like clear. They got some clear keys. Oh, it is so. Whoa, it's green. Oh, look, it's like green and glittery. There's your Type C. You got your different modes. One long rubber strip on the top and the bottom. No legs, no feet. Oh, it's like a pyramid. I just love this. It's got the little knob. You can click it. You can twist it. You can bop it. You can pull it. I'm just kidding. Don't pull it. But you can bop it. I really have to stop the video and just say that like I'm legitimately impressed. Like, let's plug it in and talk about it. Let's see what they're selling me on the. Oops. Let's see what they're selling me on the original lighting when you first plug it in. Oh yeah, they go all out on first impression. First impression, lovely. I didn't have to turn my lights down to show you guys the RGB. That's how bright it is. Okay, so we have right here in front of you, ladies and gentlemen, is the Lemokey L5 HE magnetic switch custom gaming keyboard with the fully assembled knob. You got Cyber, which is the one we have here. You also have Dark Master, which is just kind of a black keys with a little red escape button. Nothing too crazy. And then you have Down Master, which the white keys with a couple of wooden looking keycaps here on the enter and the escape. And then it comes with the Lemokey ultra fast lime magnetic switch. It's got a CNC aluminum body, magnetic switches, double shot PBT keycaps, hot swappable socket, 8,000 hertz polling rate. I'm sure you've heard that already, and adjustable actuation point. Let's open up the software, huh? We're just gonna check out the different stuff. This is just the Keychron launcher. I'll leave the link for it in the description. Let me just scoot myself out of the way. There we go. Is that better? Now I'm extra tiny. Okay, so you just come over here and you would hit connect. And then L5 HE 8K, connect. Now you got your web driver open. Okay, so you have your adjustable actuation distance. So any key that you want, you can take your actuation distance and change it down to 0.01. And then you can set your rapid trigger. If you want to turn rapid trigger on this one switch, you can go down to 0.01 millimeters, which is very useful for games like Valorant, CSGO, stuff like that, where stopping and starting really makes a difference. Now you have your key map, you have your backlights, you got a bunch of different options here. And you can change the color of the breathing. You have band spiral, cycle all. You could also change the brightness of any of them and the speed. Want to make it slow or super quick, freaking party, do whatever you want. Okay, then you have your reactive, a different kind of oh, that's kind of a cool reactive, like if I was just playing. Oh dude, I might have to leave that one on. That's coin to seek. Oh, that's the decoration down here. Oh, I didn't even see this. Whoa, back up. Whoa, stop. I didn't see this light back here. Look at this. Look at how cool that is. Whoa, pause. Oh, dude, I didn't even see that. Does it go all the way through? Oh, it's on the bottom. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Very nice. Let's get into some gameplay. Oh, I love this mode. It's like Quidditch, but for Splitgate. Basically.
Starts in 5.
Oh, he's getting down.
3, 2, 1.
He said no.
Flying split ball.
You also have super fast movement.
Ball secured. Ball dropped.
Oh, I missed. Where's the ball?
Ball dropped. Ball secured. Ball dropped.
Stay back.
Ball stolen.
I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this guy. I'm gonna get this guy. He may have shooters, but dang it. This is not the best map for this.
Ball stolen.
Ball stolen? Oh my god.
Minutes remaining.
Okay, I need to play the objective.
Ball secure. Kingslayer.
Gotta protect my teammates. Oh god, there's somebody right behind me, isn't there?
Kingslayer.
We need this ball, dude. This guy's too good at this. He needs to be stopped. Please.
Ball dropped.
Yes.
Ball secured.
Yeah, we have the ball. Yeah. Yes. I got you, bro. I got your back, dog. Ah! Come on! The defense is weak. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Hey, how you doing?
Triple kill.
Hey, come back here. Let me get a quad. Let me get the quad. Protect the homies. Protect. Oh, I let him die. That's my bad.
Ball captured.
Oh, we got it.
Ball reset. Ball
Yeah.
secured.
Yeah, get that shit. Yeah, run, run, run. I will protect. Okay, I'm not very good at protecting. We can win this,
Ball
dude.
stolen.
We got plenty of time, bro. Get rid of one shooter. That's two shooter. Can I get a third?
Dropped.
Hey, buddy.
Ball secured.
Ah, come on, dude. Get a little closer, buddy. Come here. Come here, bro. What are you so scared of, dog? Come on, dude.
Kingslayer.
This is not ideal situation right now.
Ball dropped. Ball secured.
I have it. This is my moment. This is my moment. It's my time to shine. Yes, I scored!
Leader.
Okay. We have to get to 4, I think.
Ball reset. Ball stolen. Ball dropped. Ball secured.
Oh my god, I'm dead. Ah! I couldn't turn around there. Yeah, get the ball, get the ball, get the ball.
Ball dropped.
Yes, get the ball.
Ball
No.
secured. Ball dropped. Ball secured. Ball dropped.
No, this is the guy.
Stolen. Ball dropped. Ball secured.
Why did I drop it?
Dropped.
Oh my god. I literally dropped the ball there. Like, not figuratively. I actually... Okay, we're fine, we're fine.
Dropped.
No.
Ball stolen.
No, you son of a bitch. Get the f back here.
Ball dropped.
No, 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 no. I knew that was going to happen, dude. But I still went for it.
Remaining. Ball stolen.
It's so
Ball
even.
dropped. Ball secured.
I'm gone.
Ball dropped.
No! Howl! Dude, he literally has speed hacks, bro. I don't get it. We need to win.
Stolen.
We need to win, dude. Oh, I'm getting you, mother trucker.
Kingslayer.
Yeah, I remember you, Howl.
Dropped. Ball stolen.
There's no way they get that.
Ball dropped. Ball secured.
Yes.
Kingslayer.
Doesn't matter.
Double kill.
Score, score. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Come on.
Ball dropped.
No.
Ball
Give me that shit.
secured.
No! Dude, we're literally 1 second away. Come on. No, no, no. Nar, 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 nar. Oh, I'm screwed. Dude, they're about to score.
Game over.
Ah! I'm literally,
3, 2, 1. Fiesta Team Deathmatch.
I teleported. I'm on their side now.
Gain the lead.
Big oof. I just love this keyboard, bro. This is my new main.
Gain the lead. Gain the lead.
What's that? How many people did I hit marker there? Hello. Okay, what's happening? Am I getting cooked right now? What's going on?
Killing spree. Double kill.
Give me that bat. I'm scared. Whoa. Beautiful.
Game over.
Oh, I'm sad that I missed the last shot. That's unfortunate. God, this freaking keyboard feels so good. All right, so if you'd like to check this thing out for yourself, I absolutely loved it. I'll leave a link down for it in the description, of course, as usual. May not be able to get it right away, but it's definitely worth the investment. I mean, dude, this is literally like, this is a keyboard I'm going to use for gaming now, straight up. So it's really nice having a definitive advantage when it comes to latency, and there is no more definitive advantage than this keyboard, I would say. And it's beautiful. This little triangle light, ugh, just look at it. Just look at it. Look at it, it's beautiful. That's all I gotta say, man. Keychron, you killed it once again. Lemokey, these guys that made this thing, it smacks. I love it. Whoever the mysterious shadow legend is behind the making of this keyboard, you did a great job. Everybody that was involved, highly recommend. Like I said, check the link in description, and I got plenty more keyboard videos over here if you want to check out the playlist. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, leave a like, greatly appreciated. Bye bye.